You asked, and here they are, the best expert-reviewed wireless headsets. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and whether you're using them to escape a noisy home or work environment, traveling, gaming, doing Zoom calls, jamming out to music, or just escaping from reality for a moment, you got a choice between in-ear earbuds and over-the-ear headphones. They may be bulkier. Active noise canceling over-the-ear headphones are superior, though, at delivering better sound while removing the most noise around you with greater comfort. These are the best over-the-ear headphones. Drum roll, please. These Jabra Elite 85H wireless noise canceling headphones are amazing for the price. With a cost lower than most of the competing products, these are the best budget noise canceling headphones we tested. What I like, they're super comfortable. You get 36 hours on a single charge. They're compatible with Apple, Amazon, and Google Assistants. The mics are great for phone calls, and the Jabra app lets you tweak the sound to your liking. On the other end of the spectrum are some of the priciest headsets meant for serious sound lovers. These are the Apple AirPods Max wireless headphones. Apple's focus on spatial audio sounds the best with these. The high-fidelity active noise cancellation, transparency mode that lets you hear your surroundings while leaving them on, the incredible feel with cool on-head detection makes these the primo pick of the best wireless headphones, period. They're about the hottest headphones available, so hot that street thieves have been known to pull up on a moped and swipe them right off your head, so watch your back with these on. Now, if you're a Bose snob, because there are Bose lovers who won't settle for anything else, these are now the best. The Bose Noise Canceling Headphones 700. 20 hours on a single charge, lightweight, great for travel. You can customize the noise cancellation from 0 to 10. I dial it up for the most isolating sound setting and just simply leave it there. It is the best design I've seen from Bose so far. They sit on my head for hours without any discomfort on the ears. For my other top picks and other recommendations from the tech world, head to cyberguy.com, and while you're there, it's absolutely free for you to sign up for my newsletter.